Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to contact with Duolingo support. So let's have a look now. Visit the Duolingo Help Center using a web browser. Open your web browser, search for Duolingo Help Center. Okay, now the Help Center provides answers to frequently asked questions and common issues that users might face. You can browse through the topics to find solutions to your queries. If you can't find the answer to your question in the Help Center, then scroll down and click here. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and details about your issue or question. Provide as much detail as possible about the problem you are experiencing or the question you have. This helps the support team better understand and assist you. Once you have filled out the form, submit your request to Duolingo's support team. Please note that response times from Duolingo support may vary depending on the volume of requests they receive. They generally aim to respond to inquiries and issues as quickly as possible. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.